if I was strongly bullish here, usually if I get a very fast up move, my best defense against that, if my thesis was I'm going to get a large move, whether that be up or down, in other words, I'm neutral as far as direction goes. I don't have a bias in direction. So I'm neutral as far as bias goes, but I feel that the move is going to be relatively large. Really the best thing for me to do to protect against that, or if I'm looking to reduce my damage as much as possible with a large move, realistically this vertical is going to be the best move for that bias if I had that bias in my trading. It's going to give me the least damage if the market goes up, the least volatility problems if the market goes up, with the least damage if I'm wrong and it comes back down again. So I mean, if I'm clearly bullish, then I can do stuff. I can make the trade bullish. Right? I can do that. But if the move is going to be relatively large, I'm looking at doing something like this.